King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II has advised the presidential candidate for the All People's Party, Alhassan Ayariga, and all other political parties to include in their series of ideas a national developmental agenda that will affect the lives of the people positively. He said it was not a very good practice to see the livelihoods of people affected just because they did not belong to the ruling party. King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II addressed the presidential candidate and his entourage when they called on him at the Traditional Council on Monday, 7th September 2020.
Every political party needs one thing, which is a national development agenda, an agenda which ensures that our education for generations is 3 years, because you have looked at the curriculum and you are sure that this is what works for the Ghanaian child or for the Ghanaian student to make this student competitive both locally and internationally. I need you to add within your concept a national development agenda that will enable all Ghanaians to try, because then there wouldn't be a situation where an MPP business person loses business because NDC is in power, or you have it vice versa. That at all costs, no matter what government is in place, the security of the business person is ensured. So it's great that you have come to our fore. And what we can do today is to pray for you.
A report by Nako Mensah for Ribi News, Accra.